Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix black stigma, crashing, not launching, not loading, black screen, freezing issue on PC. So to fix the issue, the first solution is to simply restart your PC. Click on Windows icon, then restart your PC. After your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Second solution is to simply verify the game files. Open Steam, go to library, right click on black stigma, select properties, go to installed files, click on verify integrity of game files. Once the verification completes, now launch the game and check. Third solution is to modify the game launch option. Right click on black stigma, select properties. Now here in the launch options, type -dx11. Now launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then again go to properties. Now type -dx12. Now launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then remove the command from the launch options and follow the other fixes mentioned in this video. Fourth solution is to run the game as administrator or try running the game in compatibility mode. To do so, open Steam, go to library, right click on black stigma, select manage, browse local files. It will open the game installation folder. Open stigma folder, open binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now here right click on stigma client Win64 shipping exe file and select properties. Go to compatibility tab. Check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK. Now launch the game from the game installation folder and check. If that doesn't work, then check mark run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8, hit apply, OK. Now launch the game from here and check. If that also doesn't work, then select Windows 7, hit apply, OK. Now launch the game and check. If that also doesn't work, then also check mark disable full screen optimization options, hit apply, OK. Now launch the game and check. After checking all these boxes, if still a problem is not solved, then simply uncheck all these boxes, hit apply, OK, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fifth solution is to allow the game exe file through Windows security. To do so, type Windows security in Windows search and open it. Click on virus and threat protection. Scroll down, click on manage ransomware protection. Click on allow an app through control folder access. Click on add an allowed app, browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. Open black stigma folder. Select stigma client exe file, click open. Again click on add an allowed app, browse all app, open stigma folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder. Now select stigma client Win64 shipping exe file, select open. Next open Windows security, then click on firewall and network protection. Click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now browse to the game installation folder, open black stigma folder, select stigma client exe file, click open to add it, click on add. In my case it is already added. Again click on allow another app, browse, open stigma folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder, select stigma client Win64 shipping file, hit open, click on add. It is already added in my list. After adding, scroll down, search for stigma. Here make sure both private and public stigma. Click OK to confirm. Now launch the game and check if it solves your issue or not. If not, then move to the next solution. Now also make sure that if you are using any third-party antivirus software such as Norton, Komodo, McAfee, AVG, Avast, Kaspersky, Bitdefender or any other antivirus program, then allow the game exe file to your antivirus program. Then launch the game and check. Sixth solution is to update the graphic card driver. Type device manager in Windows search and open it. Expand display adapter. Right click on your graphic card and select update driver. Then click on search automatically for driver. After updating the graphic card driver, launch the game and check. Seventh solution is to perform a clean installation of graphics driver. If you are NVIDIA user, then go to NVIDIA official website. AMD user, then go to AMD official site. I am showing the example of NVIDIA driver. Here select your graphic card models and then click on find. Click on view. Then click on download. Once it is downloaded, then run the executable files and perform a clean installation of your driver. Link for installing the drivers is given in video description. After doing the clean installation of graphic card driver, launch the game and check. Eighth solution is to update Windows. Simply click on Windows icon, go to setting, click on update Windows option on the left, then click on check for updates, and if any update is available, then download and install them. Then launch the game and check. Ninth solution is to install Visual C++ files. To do this, go to this Microsoft official website. The link is given in the video description. Scroll down. Now download both x86 and x64 files. Install them on your PC. Then launch the game and check. 10th solution is to reinstall the game. If none of the solution work, then the last solution is to simply uninstall the game, delete all files and folder related to Black Stigma game, restart your PC, and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD and then launch the game and check. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.